Welcome back to Aesthetic Nest channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Mediterranean charm and sustainability with tips on building your dream Mediterranean home. Whether you're a fan of warm sunlit interiors, earthy tones, or a lifestyle rooted in simplicity, this episode has it all. Let's embark on a Mediterranean house tour that'll inspire your next project. Mediterranean homes are all about blending natural beauty with functional design. From airy interiors to sustainable decor, let's explore how you can create a small yet stunning Mediterranean-inspired haven. When it comes to Mediterranean interior design, think neutral palettes, organic textures, and pops of color like rich terracottas and ocean blues. Use materials like reclaimed wood and natural stone to bring authenticity to your space. And don't forget about the details. Upcycled furniture, vintage lighting fixtures, and handmade ceramics can add a personal touch. Designing a small Mediterranean home. Maximize natural light with sheer fabrics and open layouts. Incorporate indoor plants to create a seamless indoor-outdoor vibe. And for the ultimate eco-friendly touch, consider using recycled materials for your decor. Sustainability is key in modern Mediterranean design. Install energy-efficient appliances and use composting systems for your kitchen. Incorporate natural fabrics like organic cotton and linen for a truly eco-friendly living experience. No Mediterranean house tour is complete without a charming outdoor space. Create a cozy courtyard with native plants and a pergola draped in climbing vines. Add solar lighting for an energy-efficient glow, and consider a biofuel fire pit for those cool evenings. The beauty of Mediterranean living lies in its simplicity and harmony with nature. By blending sustainable practices with timeless design, you can create a home that's not only beautiful but also environmentally friendly. Thank you for joining me on this Mediterranean house tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Aesthetic Nest channel for more inspiring home decor and design ideas. And as always, let's design a better world, one home at a time. See you in the next video.